I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to vitalize it in my eyes. I reach the sky.
Running out of breath, I've been running out of energy. Telling all your friends you don't wanna be a friend of me. You making up lies, why am I getting all the penalties? I wanna talk about this, but they're talking to an enemy. I've been broken down like my food in my stomach. Hating these feelings, but act like I love it. I don't wanna cheat, nah, I want fair play. I don't wanna crash land like an airplane. I want you back, but when you act like that, like a one-sided talk, you don't call me back. Yeah, times were hard, and when you left, they got harder. My bed got colder, and my room got darker. I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Well, I pray for the rain when our skies were blue. I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Let's talk tonight and we can talk it through.
I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to vitalize it in my eyes. I reach the sky. Tell me if I'm lost in all the days it took. I get all I had without a second look, and I need breathing room. If I don't see you soon, I think I'll die inside. I blame it all on you. I think I'm gone for good. It happened faster than it should, and now it's upside down. I must have misunderstood, but I still wish you were here, and maybe one day you will. And while I wait for you, I'll pop another pill.
Black long sleeve, I can see you're freezing. You know I'll stop your bleeding. Let's not make this hard. Let's just hit restart. Messed up badly, how'd this all happen? This world's a mess, so please don't leave us stranded.
I'm swimming in the ocean of fear, back where I started, no closer reaching. I fade, and maybe I'll start to disappear as I cope with these emotions. I don't wanna get closer. I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to vitalize it in my eyes. I reach the sky. Dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to vitalize it in my eyes. I reach the sky.
They abuse my feelings. They abuse my feelings. They wanna see me burn in this hellbound place, but that ain't gonna happen, no way. Fight my demons, I'ma kill them for real this time. I'ma kill them for real this time. I ain't got no time for them in my life. So when I'm standing on a battlefield and all the pain is real, I hope I finally found the strength to kill them all. War paint on my face now, now, now. Cause I can't let these motherfuckers win. Cause who the fuck would I be if I let them control my life and fuck everything I try to build up? Ain't no need to fight them up for real this time, cause they only wasting my time. Cause I've been using all my time in this fight, a fight nobody else can see. They say these demons ain't real, but it feels so real. Pain I feel. They abuse my killing for evil design. I ain't got no time for them in my life.
Young Ting, you going crazy.
Oh no, no. King, this shit fuego. Can't breathe in toxic skies. Pollute me with your lies. Yeah, I thought that I'd die. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. I've been in my mind for days. Wish I could get away. You know it isn't safe for me to be in this headspace. Drunk and I miss you unless I'm just drunk. Told me to swim, then you watched as I sunk.